series, I am going to teach you a trick for writing the 6 times table. Guys, have you gone through our other table tips and tricks series along with 3 times table? My brother mentioned that if you learn the 3 times table, you will be also able to master the table that I am teaching you now. If you haven't gone through it, please go to the link in the description box or visit our channel. Before we go to the tricks, let's recite the 6 times table with my brother. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36, 6 sevens are 42, 6 eights are 48, 6 nines are 54, 6 tens are 60. To know the trick, you have to do the similar way just like the 3 times table. But in the 6 times table, you have to not draw the one box. You have to draw 2 boxes, not the 1 box. Now, let's draw the 2 tic-tac-toe boxes. To fill the 2 boxes, we have to do the numbers from bottom to top and left to right. We will fill the boxes from 1 to 9 and 0 at the outside of the box. Let's fill the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 at the outside of the box. In the second box, just like the first box, we have to write the same thing. We will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 0 at the outside of the box. This is the time to fill the tens place. For filling the tens place, we have to divide the 2 boxes into 3 horizontal segments. First segment, middle segment and last segment. In the first segment, we have to write 0, 0, 0, 0. In the middle segment, we will write 1, 1, 1, 1. In the last segment, we will write 2, 2, 2, 2. At the outside of this box, we will, for the tens place, we will write 3. The second box will be starting from 3. 3, 3, 3. For the middle row, tell me what it will come? Yes, you are absolutely right. It is 4. 4, 4, 4. In the last segment, you will write 5. 5, 5, 5. At the outside of the box, you will write 6. The 2 boxes are completely filled. To get the 6 times table, you have to draw a diamond around the number 15 and 45 connecting to its edges, like you can see here. We have to draw the circle around the numbers which are touching the tip of the diamond, as well as you have to draw the circle around 30 and 60 and connect them with the diamond. Now the 6 times table is ready. have a look at this. It is so easy to learn the 6 times table. I hope that this table will be very helpful for you. See you in our next video. Till then, bye bye. If you like my video, please press the thumbs up button and don't forget to press the subscribe button for more videos, and please press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you.